Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make the single crochet. I have with me the chain 16 we made in the previous lesson. To make the single crochet, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, drop a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. 1, 2. Yarn over, draw 2 both the loops on the hook. We have just made our very first single crochet. Let us repeat that. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, draw 2 both the loops. Let us continue working with this way till the end of the row. Insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over, draw 2 together. Insert the hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw 2 both loops. Insert the hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw 2 both loops. I will meet you at the end of this row where I will show you how to start a new row. I have reached the end of this row. Now to start the next row, we will chain 1 and turn the work like this. This chain 1 is called the turning chain. All stitches have that, and the size of the turning chain will depend on the stitch. So let us continue working on the second row. So here we will start working from the very first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and draw 2 both the loops. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw 2 both the loops. Keep working like this, and I will meet you after a couple of rows. I have completed 6 rows of single crochet. You'd see 2 rows of loops. The ones in front are your front loops, the ones in the back are your back loops, and just behind the back loop you can find these little bumps. You can change the way your stitch looks by just changing where you work your stitches. So in this swatch I have worked in both the loops. I have made these 2 little swatches here. So in this swatch I have only worked in the bump at the back. So see what it has done. It has pulled up the other 2 loops, made them almost horizontal. It's made them stand out separately like a ribbing. And this one, in this swatch, I have worked only in the back loops. See how this looks? So some patterns will ask you to work only in the back loops or in both loops or in just the bump in the back. So depending on your pattern, you will have to change where you insert your hook. And the abbreviation for single crochet is SC, and the symbol is a small X. That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing the SC and its different variations, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn to make the single crochet decrease and increase.